Well, hello everybody. I'd like to be able to share with you this lesson about minimal pairs, and this is our introduction lesson. And we're going to be focusing on the sounds within the word, and each sound is called a phoneme. So sometimes you'll hear me say sounds, and sometimes you'll hear me say phonemes, but they mean the same thing. So we're going to be listening to the sounds. So you're not looking at me because I don't want you to focus on me. I want you to focus on the sounds. And I do not want you to see the words because I want you to focus on the sounds. So we're going to be playing a game called Minimal Pairs Game, and you'll see many videos focusing on a certain sound, but these are going to be the rules of how we're going to be able to do this, because focusing on the sounds within the words. First one, the words must have the same number of sounds. So I'm going to give you two words that you will hear, and each word will have the same number of sounds. Now the second one, the words must have the identical sounds except for one. So each position will have the same sounds except for one of the sounds. It will switch. Number 3, the sound that is different must be in the same position, because I want you to focus on the sound that we're targeting. And then number 4, the words must have different meanings. So we're not going to look at, the ones that have the same meaning. We're not looking at the homonyms, homophones, none of that stuff. We're just going to be looking at minimal pairs and what are the sounds, the phonemes within the words. So let me give you a sample of how this will look when we do this. So here are our phoneme positions, and we're going to have the first sound, second sound, third sound. And I want you to be able to listen. Where is the change? Is it in the first sound between the two words? Is it in the second sound, or is it in the third sound? So listen to this one. B-a-s, 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 bus. Here's the second word. B-a-t, 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 t. But where do you hear the sound change between the two words? In the b, or was it first s and then the second word had t? It's the third one that has the sound change. Let's try another one. All, all, all. Here's the next word to go for the pair. All, all, whole. Yes, you're probably hearing the change in the second one. All right, let's look at our next one. B-a-k, b-a-k, bake. Okay, where's the change when we add this word? M-a-k, m-a-k, make. You're absolutely right. You hear the change in the first sound between bake and make. So this is how we're going to be playing our games today in listening to the phonemes of these minimal pairs.